As a modified model, the new Bora has tuned the power system and replaced it with a new 1.4T turbocharged engine model, while the exterior design is not significantly different from the current model. For reference, the guide price of the 1.4T version of the 2023 Bora on sale is 141,900 yuan. In terms of appearance, the new Bora continues the design style of the 2023 model. The headlights are integrated with the banner-style air intake grille, which effectively extends the visual width of the front face. In addition, chrome-plated trims have been added to both sides of the new car and to the lower edge of the front shroud, aptly adding a sense of balance and elegance. The new Bora continues to adopt the body structure design of the traditional sedan, and the three-dimensional waistline is not missing. The line extends from the front fender to the rear, creating a mature and balanced image that suits its positioning as a family car. The rear of the new Bora features a tinted taillight group, and the rear surround area is adorned with black trim and chrome-plated strips, and a discreet exhaust layout is adopted. As for the body size, the length, width and height of the new Bora are 4672/1815/1478 mm and the wheelbase is 2688 mm, respectively. In addition, according to the declaration information, the new car will also offer configurations such as front parking radar, etc., and different rim styles for consumers to choose from. It is worth noting that the front parking radar is a standard configuration on the 1.4T version of the 2023 Bora, but the actual configuration information of the new Bora still needs to be subject to the official announcement from FAW Volkswagen. In terms of power, the new Bora only announced a power version equipped with a 1.4T turbocharged engine modeled as DLE. Maximum power remained unchanged at 110 kilowatts.